Okay, gentlemen, let's continue with question number 3. So question number 1 was to draw a triangle given the length of all 3 sides. Question number 2, or task 2, is to draw a triangle when giving 2 sides and an included angle. For question number 3, we are giving one angle, a base, and the altitude, right? So the first step is to change over to our construction layer. So we click here, go to construction. Next step is to start my line. I click here. And I draw a line, type 50, 50, enter one more time. I then draw a line, draw a random, offset. For this, I'm going to use offset. I'm going to offset this, or I'm going to offset this line. So I type O for offset. Or I could draw, could be done either. You could offset this, offset O, enter. Offset distance. Want this offset distance to be 68. 68. So the offset distance is the parallel distance. All right. So the offset distance, or the distance we want this line to be from the other point, is 68. So I click here, then I move up to get this distance, which is 68, escape. My next step is to construct, well, I could extend this line, click onto this line, grip here, and move and pull it across, escape, to extend this line. If I want, I could also click here, drag to the left to extend it, then press escape. Now this is my AB, and I wish to draw a line at 60 degrees, right? For this, I'm gonna type L for line, enter, specify here as my first point, left click here, drag this to a suitable distance, then press which key do I press to change from the length to degree?
Sure, tab.
The tab key, lovely. Then I enter 66, 0, then enter, then escape. So that now draws my line at 60 degrees. Now, the triangle is basically formed. At the point where the 60-degree angle line cuts this line, this point is our point C. Point C is right here. So we could go ahead, go to our outline layer, click on outline, then start to brighten up our triangle. So we click, L for line, click here, there, at this point, then down here, enter. And that's all there is to it. All there is to it. So again, we need to label. That I'm gonna click onto this and press copy, CO for copy, enter. The command bar says specify base point. My base point, let's choose here. I need to deactivate orthogonal mode because I don't want this to be either horizontal or vertical. I must click this L right here. This L here, need to click that. Then I drop 1 there, 1 here, 1 there. Then escape, press escape. Next step is to click 2 times, 1, 2, wait a bit, type B. You want only capital letters, B. Click 3 times up here, 1, 2, 3. Then type C. Click outside, then escape, right? And this is basically how we think here. Now, I will be calling on some persons to demonstrate to me how I go about dimensioning this up. Ryan Plummer, If persons leave, it doesn't make sense to leave, guys, because if you leave, you're not gonna have the recording. I have the recording, so I know who the persons who have left would have left. You know, this is being recorded, and this is
Yeah,
being
just like
assessed. All right, who would like to tell me how to dimension this up? Let me allow persons to choose.
repeat what you say, sir.
Okay, Skyers, tell me how to dimension this up. How do I go about dimensioning up this? What's the step? Could you outline the step for me, please? How do I go about adding dimensions to this? And yeah, dimensions.
So you go to the annotation.
Yeah.
Oh, first you would change the layer, sir.
Okay, great. So change my dimension layer. Click here. Change the dimension layer. Yeah.
Then you go to the annotation.
Yeah.
Sir.
Uh-huh.
And change it to aligned.
Align. Why do you choose align?
Because it's slanted, sir.
Oh, great. What's my next step?
Then you specify the first point where you want to put the dimension.
How do I specify it? So I left click at
left
C, left click at B, then drag it out to a distance I want. Click right there. What else? Talk to me.
And then you do the same for the others. Then you left click A, left click B, and do the same for AC, sir.
Okay. Yes, Plumber, you may type son. All right. Plumber says his mic is not working. So all right. So yes, align, do the same thing over here. Left click here, left click there. Next Monday, you guys will, well, question, how many of you have AutoCAD? I need to know how many persons have AutoCAD. That is it. Now, how do I, Raheem Plummer, yes, son, go ahead, because you'll be giving grade for this, who is that? Okay, Romain Mitchell. How do I go about, oh, I need to insert the height for this. I need to insert the height for this. I need to insert the height here. You guys might not know how to do this one. So let me show you how to do this one. So I'm gonna click horizontal here, click here. I'm gonna click here. Then I'm gonna go out like this. Next, I'm gonna click 2 times on this 1, 2. I'm gonna type altitude. ALTITUDE, altitude. Altitude. Oh, altitude is 68, right? 60 altitude equal 68. So this is what I should have dimensioned and not this. So I shouldn't be dimensioning this or that. What I need to dimension is what they give us, the altitude, the base, and the angle, which is 45. So I click here, 60, I mean. And I get my angle right there. Escape. Yep. So it's now 9:30. So I think we are close to the end of this class. Any question before we go, guys?
No, sir, but I don't have any geometry equipment, sir, but I have AutoCAD.
Yeah,
So
AutoCAD.
I can just send the AutoCAD version for the triangle work, sir. Right.
Definitely. Once you have AutoCAD, yes, use AutoCAD if you have AutoCAD. All right.
Sir, I can do the AutoCAD from phone, but sooner or later I get the laptop for this one, sir.
I'm not hearing you.
That's why I use my geometry set, sir.
Yeah, you guys need to use the geometry set as well as AutoCAD because geometry set is a part of what you should be starting off with. So everything that you do traditionally should be done in AutoCAD. Guys, I will be ending this meeting now. Remember, you have class tomorrow? For tomorrow's class, it will not be live. you'll be giving some of these questions to do. All right. I will only log in. I will log in, take the register for about the first 10 minutes, and then allow you to go to the platform to do the work. All right. So for tomorrow's class, you will need for classwork, you will be doing three or four of these drawings. All right. I will be making the recording for these available on the platform. All right. Any question, guys?